This video will show you how to place text in an A-size title block. Open the A-size inches drawing. Type Style and create a new text style. Click New. Style name is Drafting Inches. Choose OK. Set the font name to Simplex. There are more than one font named Simplex. Choose the one on the screen. Now the current text style is Drafting Inches. Choose Apply and Close. Now you want to zoom to the lower left corner of the title block. Select Multi-Line Text. Pick upper left and lower right corner of the box. Set the text height to 1/8 of an inch. Set justification to middle center. Now type your text. Type drawing name. Close the text editor. Select the text and place it on the text layer. Pan until you see the next box to the right, and you're going to place text in this box. Open the A-size border and title strip layout document on Blackboard. Right-click and choose Rotate Counterclockwise. This is the remaining text to place in the title block. Move this to the side and return to AutoCAD. Set the current layer to text. Now choose Multi-Line Text, upper left-hand corner, lower right-hand corner. Set the text height to 1/8 of an inch. Set the justification to middle center. And then type drafter name. Pan to the right and continue the process of placing text in the title block. Set drawing scale to 1=1 for now. It's subject to change as you do different drawing assignments. One-8 of an inch, justification middle center. Now this box contains the date. Multi-line text, click, text height 1/8 of an inch, justification middle center. This box contains the section you attend. Example, I'm in the AM class, the PM class, or I attend all day. The last box contains the drawing number. It is listed on each drawing assignment on Blackboard. If you cannot locate the drawing number, please ask the instructor. This text may be edited at any time. Just double-click on it and make changes. You should have text in your title block. If you have any more questions, ask the instructor.